friends, welcome back to Asala Studies. I am Leela. And in the previous session, we have completed up to the rise of the Stalin and his 5 years plan, and also the Kalki farms and his all the works of his. And in this session, we are going to totally discuss about the Great Depression, which was lasted in between the years of 1929 to 1939. Let's starting with the discussion. The Great Depression means depression means it is affected the total world countries. In the total world countries, the Great Depression has affected, because of its effect, all the countries has lost their economies, and all the jobs were lost, and all the means we need to say all the life is gone on all the countries because of the Great Depression during the world wars. And also the Great Depression was lasted in between of 10 years. At the end of the Great Depression, the World War II has started, and during the after the World War I and in between the World War II, the Great Depression has lasted about 10 years. The whole world has lost its economy, and also it lost its jobs, and also its jobbing opportunities, and etc. So all, and like this, the whole country, the whole world has affected because of the Great Depression, and felt the problems of the Great Depression, such as starving without food, and the no employment opportunities, and no salaries to be paid, and no jobs, and no workers, and no food, and even there is no money. All the countries became poor because of the Great Depression. And between the 1929 to 39, the reason of Great Depression also is because of the world wars. And during the world wars, the governments has spent all the money, and all the food resources, and all the crop resources, etc. All the eating millets, and all etc. are spent on the military people instead of the common people. So the common people has lost their lives, and also and because of the so much of money has lost due to the Great Depression. And also the government has to see for the government has to buy all the weapon, and customize all the weapons, and also many weapons has to be paid by the has to be bought by the government, and all these weapons were included also so much of cost, and these weapons also so much of cost. And also the Great Depression has created that much of loss, all the countries cannot reimburse it. And during the Great Depression times, the Roosevelt, who was the new president of America, has announced a New Deal policy, and it consists of the relief of the imprisonments, and the prisons, also the reforms of the prisons reforms, and also the economic recovery. It focused on the relief, reforms, and recovery, and all these are called as 3 R's of New Deal policy. And this is one of the important point in during the Great Depression. The New Deal policy is invented by F.D. Roosevelt. So friends, please keep in mind that the New Deal policy is very important. It can come as a 1 mark question in short questions. They will ask like, what is the New Deal policy, explain about it, write a short note on New Deal policy, and what is the 3 R's principle, what is relief, recovery, and reforms. All these questions are coming on the New Deal policy. The New Deal policy is very important, which was invented by the F.D. Roosevelt, who is the president of USA. And during the World War II, all the countries has lost, but America is one of the country which has benefited and profited by the Great Depression. America is not involved in the World War. This is the reason, or this is the main reason why the America was much not affected by the Great Depression. But the Russia is severely affected because of the Great Depression. It has lost up to 2 million of its soldiers, and also many people lost their lives because of the no food, and also the starvation. Many people lost their lives, and up to 2 million people have soldiers have died because of the World War I. And all these reasons together created that much of a Great Depression, and that depression is nothing but the Great Depression. So friends, the Marxist economist also the Marxist economist stated that the state should be actively involved in during the Great Depression, and it should be provide employment opportunities to the people. And also like this, all the people have slowly recovered, and every country has slowly recovered from the Great Depression. It took so much of time to recover from the Great Depression. So friends, we should keep in mind that we should not use whatever things we have in such a way that everything is lost, and we are remaining without anything left. So friends, please keep in mind, we should be careful while using our money, or even anything. We should be carefully used, and anything should not be wasted. Even anything means anything. And like this, all the countries has suffered with Great Depression, and now we are coming to the rise of the Nazi party and also Hitler. And friends, mainly coming to the Hitler, and then only the Hitler, mainly the Hitler was born on April 20, 1889. The main goal of the Hitler has not studied in his childhood days, and in return of studying he has done many works in other places such as in restaurants, etc. The Hitler has a goal to conquer the whole world. The Hitler want to become greater more than the King Alexander, as the King Alexander want to occupy the whole world and he want to rule the whole world. Hitler also want to occupy and conquest and rule the whole world. And during the World Wars, the Hitler has occupied up to 3/4 of the countries, except the powerful nations such as USSR, USA, etc. And these countries only helped all the countries to achieve and to defeat the Hitler, and Hitler has lost his life. And like this, the Hitler has slowly starting his Nazi party, and the Hitler is slowly rising during the Great Depression, in between the years of Great Depression. And in between the years of the Great Depression, the Hitler has slowly starting, and the people have no work and no employment work, and men were hanging placards over them and telling that willing to do any work, we want work, that's it. Hitler has attracted people with his stirring speeches, as we discussed in the earlier sessions. Hitler can speak up to 120 seconds non-stoply, and like this, the Hitler has created a sense of pride in his people, and also he created all the people and he attracted all the people in such a way that all the people has believed the Hitler and has faith on the Hitler, that Hitler will do best for the Germany, and all the German people have voted for the Hitler during the 1932 elections. Before the 1988 elections, the Hitler has got only 2% of votes, but in the next elections of 1932, the Hitler has got up to 37% of votes with big majorities, and like this, Hitler has become an unquestioned leader, and he also started dictatorship in Germany. And slowly the Hitler has occupied one country by country, and together the Hitler has together mainly occupied 3/4 of the whole world, as he wants to be like and he wants to be greater more than King Alexander. So in this way, the Hitler has occupied every nation, and nation by nation, except the powerful countries such as USSR and USA. And slowly, as he is occupying and he is enlarging his territory, his strength also became decreasing and slowly decreasing. As his area of influence increases, his strength decreases slowly, area by area, and the oppositions and the opposite soldier strength has increased slowly by slowly. So this because of this reason, all the opposition has suddenly occupied all the territory and suddenly independented all the territory which was occupied by the Hitler and Germany, and finally the Germany was left only for Germany, and all the countries under the influence of Germany became independent and became freedom, and freedomly became independent. And also like this, the Hitler has and lastly the Hitler knows that if the America or Russia catches Hitler, they will kill Hitler in a dangerous manner. So because of that, the Hitler has shooted himself with a gun on the head, and he died. He suicided himself and he died. And like this, the Hitler dictatorship was ended, and also the Germany was defeated, and also the World War II has ended. So friends, the Hitler was one of the dangerous leaders as we discussed in the earlier sessions and in this session also. And like this, the Hitler's Nazi party was developed, and also the people has got faith in Hitler before the world wars. And like this, the Hitler has one of the leader which has we cannot express his qualities that much of dangerous person Hitler is. Friends, today we are completing this session up to now. In the next session, we are going to discuss the last topics of the World War II chapter, and once again we will recap all the topics we discussed in the earlier sessions. Bye.